ground, and they open it up quite often on the inside. It's called Casa Feliz. So that one used to be 3 doors from the old Cable House on Interlochen, the one I think cut down. And some people bought Casa Feliz 17 years ago. It's an Andalusian style farmhouse, and they didn't want it. Locals, again, then the same story, raised $1.5 million to move it 300 yards to a little historic golf course right in the middle of town. And so today you can definitely walk around that. If you look at their website, you'll see the hours it's open. I was looking at it yesterday. I wanted to see what bands are playing. And Sunday afternoons they have free entertainment.
So what bands are playing?
You know what they do? It's kind of light chamber music sometimes. It's not always my cup of tea, but they've got a little jazz trio I think this week. And it's free.
Oh, free.
Yeah. I think that's like 11:30 to 2 or something. Yeah, go on their website, Casa Feliz. So I mentioned this road's Palmer Avenue. There is a road that starts right there and then goes down to the lake and circles back called Alabama Drive. And I mentioned for a couple of reasons. That really good town for driving around. Alabama's one of the favorites. My wife and I haven't been here for 50 years. We drove there last night. But also, there's a building on it, because I was talking about the hotels here, that was the third Winter Hotel, called the Alabama Hotel. So they built that one 100 years ago, 35 years after the Seminole. And it was also very famous, but after running its course, instead of tearing it down, they made it into condominiums, which still looks like the old hotel, but it's been the Alabama condos now for 40 years. And look at the blue heron right